Hello everyone, this is Q-Bro. Welcome to my channel. So today we will be looking at the 70mm Dashcam A800S. So this is a Dashcam that was crowdfunded, and I found it online on Amazon. It's bang for the buck. It offers 4K Ultra HD video quality. It has front and rear cameras, and it was around $200, so it's a pretty good deal. If you're interested in buying this Dashcam, I will provide a link in the description below, and you can check it out on Amazon. The package inside offers this electrostatic tape where you can mount the Dashcam on the windshield. This is the first time I've used this, and I thought it wasn't gonna work, but after I have used it, it actually impressed me very much. And besides, using the 3M tape is just a bit messy. I mean, you want to remove it afterwards, and it's quite troublesome. So this new technology, the electrostatic tape, is quite handy. So the 70mm A800S offers both the front dash cam and the rear dash cam. The front dash cam can give you 4K resolution, and the rear dash cam can only give you about 1080p resolution. This dash cam can support up to 128GB of memory card. Here I have a 64GB. We believe it's quite slow because the Dashcam, it can actually tell you the memory card is too slow. So we actually got a 128GB of memory card from Amazon. And again, if you're interested, we can provide the link in the description below. The front camera has 3-inch display screen. It uses the Sony IMX415 sensor. It is capable of 4K resolution. The rear camera is capable of 1080p resolution. The Dashcam itself has GPS built in, so in the footages it has the coordinates and also your speed. There is also an app that 70mm uses, so you can readily access the footages from the Dashcam, and you can download it whenever, wherever, when you're connected to its Wi-Fi. The package also includes standard cables where you connect the front camera and then also the rear camera. The cables are very long, so you do not need to worry about the length not being sufficient. If you have a long car, our car is the Lexus ES, and it's quite a long car. You don't have to worry about it. And of course, there's the power adapter. And 70mm also gives you a small tool to tuck in the cables. When you are powering up the 70mm for the first time, it's very self-explanatory, very easy. First, you choose a language. Of course, it's not touchscreen, so there's buttons on the bottom as we're trying to use as a touchscreen. But it's very simple to use, and it has a lot of guiding instructions to set up the time. And once you set up everything, it will ask you to format the disk or the memory disk that you put in.
Formatting succeeded. Backup camera is connected.
Oh, okay. And if you have a handy person around, they can help you install the dash cam. So again, it comes with the electrostatic tape. You can just put it on the windshield. If you put it on the wrong spot, you can take it down again. There's no grease or anything. You can see on the tape itself, there's like a spot marked where you can tape the dash cam itself, and you can also adjust the camera once it is on the windshield. As mentioned, 70mi does give you the small tool so you can tuck your wires inside the car from front to back and wherever necessary. And once you're setting up the cameras, it should look something like this. That's the back, and that's the front. The most time-consuming part of setting up dashcam in the car is hiding the wires, and I would say the whole process took about 20 to 30 minutes. It could be quicker or slower. Again, you need to have someone that's very handy to help you out. And once you're done, simply download the 70mi app from the App Store or the Android store. Very easy setup. You can connect to the 70mi's Wi-Fi and provide you with the live view if you like. And from the 70mi app, you can also access the front and rear cameras where all the footages are stored, and you can click on any of the footages and download it onto your smartphone. So it's quite convenient.
你怎么过得这么快乐？能教给我怎样才能像你一样快乐，没有苦恼吗？牧羊人说：“没什么，骑骑马，吹吹笛，什么烦恼都忘记了。”他试了试，但却没有什么效果。于是他放弃了这个方法，又去继续寻求。不久，他来到一座庙宇。看见一个老和尚在洞里修行，面带微笑，看起来是个智慧的人。 他深深地鞠了一个躬，向老和尚说明来意。老和尚说：“你想寻求解脱吗？”他说：“是。”老和尚说：“有人把你捆住了吗？”他说：“
上班。
那就下个礼拜可能约不到。
到时候看吧，看他们有什么空间吧，反正周四周五都可以。要是有的话，再好不过了。